Hi, in this lesson, we will learn that how we can use LifterLMS course continue button block. Here you can see I have this course continue button block in my course, and this button basically works for users that when user will enroll in first time your course, they will see a get started button here, and when they will click on get started, it will automatically start from lesson 1 to last lesson. So if I click on this continue button, you will see it will redirect me to the lesson 3 because I already completed lesson 1 and lesson 2. So this button works it will start from lesson 1. But for example, if your student already completed lesson 1 and lesson 2, then they log out. And then when they will log in back, and if they that time click on this continue button, it will start from lesson 3, not lesson 1. So this is the helpful one that will help you to move the lesson sequentially. You don't need to manually click on lesson 3, lesson 4. It's automatically move to lesson 3, lesson 4 sequentially. So how to add it? We have to add we have to visit our course page first. Then with this plus icon, if I hover over here, I will see a add block option. Then we have to search for course continue button. So here you can see the course continue button. We have to add this, and we only add this block on the course page. We cannot use this block on others page. So here is the continue button, and if I update it now, and shift, here will be the course continue button. It will be on my course page. So here it is. So this helps user to move lesson 1 to lesson last automatically.